Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're conducting a flight test for the new S10 and H16 models. The S10 features an ultra-wide detection range, employing a new generation of wireless signal algorithms. Boasts an extended detection distance using Skydroid's latest wireless technology. The S10 also has a long battery life, is compact and easy to carry. The H16 is designed with waterproof, dustproof, and shock-resistant materials and has a robust structure with versatile interfaces, offering an excellent user experience and durability. The H16 operates on a frequency range of 2.400 to 2.483 GHz. Additional equipment includes the N7 flight controller, Quav Neo 3 Pro GPS, and a 450 frame. To begin, open the S10 box, insert the battery, attach the antenna, and turn it on by loosening the knob on top. With preparations complete, we start the test. As the drone takes off, we can observe the differences between the new and old interface versions. The updated interface allows testing of multiple drones, with signal strength data displayed more intuitively. We can see that as the drone approaches, the S10's display shows an increasingly strong frequency signal. That concludes today's test. Thank you for watching. To learn more, please follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.